Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be sharing the top 5 free alternatives to Google Drive that you can start using right now. So if you're looking for secure, reliable, and easy-to-use cloud storage options, make sure to watch till the end. First up, we have Dropbox, one of the most popular cloud storage platforms out there. It offers effortless file syncing, sharing, and collaboration across multiple devices. It's super reliable and integrates seamlessly with many apps, making it a great choice for both personal and professional use. Next is OneDrive, Microsoft's very own cloud solution. It comes tightly integrated with Office 365, which makes it perfect if you often use tools like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Our third pick is IceDrive, a newer service known for its fast performance and client-side encryption, meaning your files stay safe and private at all times. Then we have Sync.com, which stands out for its strong privacy focus. It uses zero-knowledge encryption, ensuring that only you have access to your files, not even the company itself. And finally, Mega, famous for offering a generous amount of free storage space along with end-to-end encryption. It's a solid choice if you want both extra space and advanced security for your data. So those are the top 5 free Google Drive alternatives you can explore today. Each of these platforms offers something unique, depending on your storage and privacy needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.